Who doesn't like cash back? I mean, think about getting extra money in your bank account. I got a Google Chrome extension that you can get on your phone or laptop that's gonna do just that. I suggest you stay tuned. And the website and tool is called Coupert.com. It's a Chrome extension and it's a website. So whether you're using a computer or you want to download this on your smartphone, bro, every transaction you want to do, anytime you want to spend money, it's going to give you coupons or cash back for doing just that. I mean, look at this. You can earn $100 just by getting people to sign up with Coupert, and more ways for you to earn money. Think of it like an AI shopping agent. So they also have live and real-time coupons with every purchase. So you know how the store is always having new deals, new sales, new specials. This stays up to date with it so you do not have to. Whether you got a cell phone, $300 gift card here, and you get a free phone, or you want 14 days for 7 tickets of free drinks and dining over at Walt Disney World, whatever you want, they got stuff here. So all you need to do is install this on your browser, whether you use Safari, Google Chrome. It's called Coupert. You see it right there. And when you use it, it'll be all in the description. You don't need to search anywhere. I got everything you need. But when you want to check it out, you simply press it. And just like that, it'll tell you all the deals. So you see AliExpress right here. You can get 4.7 cash back. Alibaba, Straight Talk, WPS Office, Groupon, Walmart, eBay, so much more. So this is already telling you where you can shop right now, where you can get cash back, and they already have coupons ready for you. So your girl going to go to Sephora, run up a bag, you can get a coupon. Walgreens, coupon. All right, so look, just so y'all see, it's no cap in my rap. I'm using it in real time. I wanted to check out on eBay, buy some Pokemon cards, and literally look at the comparison. Honey found 8 coupons. Coupert found 16 coupons in real time. I had to show y'all I couldn't even make this up. I didn't know this was gonna happen. So 16 coupons are found, and whenever you wanna use the coupons, you simply press apply coupons. It begins applying. It starts searching through the coupons for you, and you do nothing. You just chill and get your time back. So you get paid and you get your time back by being rewarded for shopping. And so you don't overspend. You see it's going through each coupon, what fits the best, what's gonna save you the most money, trying all the best coupons, and when you're done, boom, they got the best price for you. They just found you can get 1% cash back. So just like that, you'll save money on every purchase. And if you're curious to see what type of companies or websites use this tool, you can go right to Coupert.com, and this shows you some of the trending discounts that are already right here, from Adidas to JCPenney to Fanatics, eBay, Walmart, Best Buy, Kohl's, Lowe's. Y'all get the idea. Some of our favorite stores. So let me know what you think in the comments. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. This tool is free. You can go sign up and get this by clicking below in the description. Make sure you check this out. And when you really got time and you do a lot of shopping on your phone, download the free application to your device. If you got an Android, that's okay. You know you're going through things in life. But if you got an iPhone, make sure you download this. This tool is incredible. And if you do a lot of shopping on your phone, I suggest you download that app so you can shop in style and in peace and get your time back. Until next time, stay lit, stay awesome, stay healthy. You did!